good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it poppin'. So y'all might already know because you looked at the title and all that good stuff. This is a collaboration with my girl KO GLAMOUR. Now I did do a collab with her last year around this time. It wasn't around this time. What I'm talking about at the end of last year, either for fall or for the holidays in December. But either way, she's dope, y'all. If you don't know who she is, if you're familiar, she does a beauty, makeup tutorials, wig reviews, fashion, all of the girly stuff that you love. You will find it on her channel. So definitely check my girl out. You will not be disappointed. And she is a beautiful, okay? Might be ad right there. She beautiful. Also, if you're coming over from her channel, hey, how you doing? Comment down below. Let me know you here. Let me know you came from her channel. I'm glad. I'm happy. I love to see new people. What's up, girl? How you been? But anyways, we're going to be doing not a wig review. You know we do those a lot, but we switching it up today, okay? So it's summertime. We want to give you guys a little bit of inspo. So we are bringing to you a makeup inspired look and an outfit to go with it. So that's what we're bringing. Mine is more so focused on the eyes and the lips. So yeah, we're gonna work with what we got, y'all. I use only two colors on these eyes, an orange and a pink, okay? And one of them ain't even an eyeshadow palette. Just gotta use what you got. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the makeup. I'm gonna try to make it quick. It's going to be very easy to follow through with. And then I'm going to show you guys my outfit, break down the pieces and everything I have, where I got it from. And then we're going to go ahead and talk about it and wrap it up. I'm jumping off with the concealer that I would typically use on every makeup look. If I wasn't doing this kind of eyeshadow, I still will be using it. So it's from Juvia's Place in the color 16. Of course, I'm going to clean up my brow because this is what I would do no matter what color shadow I was wearing. And then I like to go in after with like a dense brush and kind of just blend it all together, y'all. Once I do that, this is my base. I don't use an eyeshadow primer or anything like that. I just feel like it's too much work, too many steps. And with the Juvia's Place products, it's super pigmented, so you don't really need it. So I'm going in with their Saharan Blush Volume 1, and I'm using that orange blush, and this is going to be my base, okay? Because I don't have orange eyeshadow, but you can use what you got, okay? And then I'm going to go in with their Berries palette, and I'm going to use just the pink color, and I'm just going to be putting that under the orange more so. The orange, I want to be more on the outside, you get what I'm saying? And the pink is going to be more on the inside. And I will be going back and forth with each color. Like if I'm blending a little too much, I'll add some more orange back in or some more pink or whatever it is that I need to do, y'all. But these two colors are the only colors that I'm using for this look, y'all. They work so well together. And like I said, Juvia's Place is super pigmented. So trust me, okay? If you use this palette, you're bound to get some color up on here. There's no way that you can't make it happen. Now I'm going to create a wing liner using my NYX gel liner in the color Jet Black. Now typically I like to use like a liner pen or something like that, but I don't have any. So I'm using an angle brush that I got from Morphe, and I'm just going to draw it out myself and kind of do it. Now, honestly, y'all, this was not my best work as far as wing liners go. But since I knew I was going to put on a dramatic lash, I said, whatever, just go with it. It's going to look cute. Once you put the lashes on, no one's really going to see the flaws that much, especially because you're not going to be sitting there with your eyes closed for them to see your lids like that. You know, your eyes are going to be open, of course, unless you sleep. So I'm going in with a makeup wipe and I'm just cleaning up that liner, and that also helps to create a more precise looking wing liner. And then this is how they look on both eyes. So I was like, okay, this is cool. I can work with this. You feel me? All right. So the next step is to go in with whatever foundation I'm using, which is going to be Juvia's Place I Am Magic in the color Legos, and clean up that concealer or whatever extra shadow is on the bridge of the nose, because girl, we don't want to be looking all kind of crazy. And then I finished my makeup, my face off camera, because it's the same thing that I literally just did a couple days ago. My foundation routine never changes. The only thing I changed was the foundation. So if you haven't seen that video, you want to check it out, feel free to do so. And as you can see, I'm just adding the same colored eyeshadows on the bottom, which is gonna make my eyeshadow pop a lot more, so it's not just in one place. Now I'm going in with this specific mascara because it's the only one I have. It's not my favorite. However, applying some mascara to your bottom lashes, it just gives your eyes such a dramatic pop, y'all. So adding little dots to it as well gives it the appearance of having like false lashes, and I personally like the clunky look. So this is what we're working with, okay? Now I'm going to apply my lashes using my Kiss Strip Adhesive, and I love that glue. It works amazingly, y'all. Now this is the color BFF, the Lippy Pencil from ColourPop. It's not my favorite, but it's what I have, so I am using it. And I'm going to sweep some of that inward so we don't just have that line looking like we from the 90s or something like that, girl. That ain't cute. And then I'm going to go in with my Buxom Cosmetics lip plumping shiner, or girl, I don't know what's called. You'll see it in the description box. And the color is Dolly Decure. And I love the way it feels and the way it looks, y'all. Now, this is the completed look. Like I said, when your eyes open, you can't tell that I made mistakes with that wing liner, but it is a really cute look, y'all. Super happy with the outcome. Now, the outfit, y'all. This top is a wrap top. I know y'all see everyone wearing it. I got it from Amazon. Really affordable. And it says that it's supposed to be white, but it's giving me like a lavender kind of color, which is fine. It's still cute. And then the jeans I got from Sprinkle Pond, supposed to be super stretchy. The bag I got from TJ Maxx, and I feel like this color goes with everything. If I had a pink bag, I would have just wore that, but I don't. And then these sandals I had since last year, and I got it from Shoe Dazzle, y'all. My favorite pair of sandals because it's bright and it's in my favorite color, okay? Because the outfit is so light and bright, I would definitely use this outfit for a daytime look, maybe like a brunch with the girls, maybe even a day date with your boo, or even vacation. All this all white is definitely screaming vacation as well. All right, y'all, so like I said, that makeup look super easy. Just use what you have, you guys. First of all, Juvia's Place, they are just pigmented, like out of this world. If you are new to eyeshadow, they won't steer you wrong. Like, you're gonna get the pigment, you're gonna get the payoff that you're looking for. And listen, a little blush ain't never hurt nobody on the eyes. If you ain't got it somewhere in the eyeshadow palette, you might as well use the blush. If you're afraid of doing wing liners, y'all, put you on a nice pair of lashes or some mascara, something black. It's gonna make the look pop anyway. And Buxom Cosmetics, their lip base, y'all, I've been talking about it for like maybe a year. I absolutely love their gloss lippies and stuff. It has color, it has shine, it feels good. It's a little minty because technically it's like a lip plumper at the same time, but it's the bomb. It's the bomb. This top, y'all know the top is popular. It's everybody wearing it, and I found it on Amazon, and I was like, ooh, girl, and you affordable. I might have to get some other colors too because I think it's really cute. So that was fun. This was super fun. I hope I kind of gave you a little bit of inspo or something like that. And I just want to let y'all know that pink is my favorite color, so it was only right to bring some pink shoes in. Just for having Shoe Dazzle be having deals all the time, like, especially if you're new. So, of course, everything that I use and showed you guys will be linked in the description box below. So just click down there, click, and you'll get directly where you need to be. I could talk all day. Y'all already know this, so I'm not even going to do it to y'all. But make sure y'all go over to KO Glamour and show my girl some love. Her video will be linked in the description box. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Y'all let me know what you think about the entire look in its totality. And the eyes of the day is Pearl Gray from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie if you want to save yourself a little coin. And I'm gonna wrap this video on up, y'all. If you want to see the review on this wig, check the description box below. I'll see you guys later. I'll holla. Mwah.